Welcome to day 21. We'll be discussing how to use VLOOKUP for calculations in Excel. Before we go ahead, let us take a look at our data sets. We have 4 sheets. So we have the product price table. The second is the sales data. The third is the discount table. And the fourth is the discount table update. We'll be using these 4 worksheets for VLOOKUP practice. Let's start with a basic VLOOKUP syntax. We have equals VLOOKUP, open our parentheses. We have the lookup value, followed by the table array, followed by the column index number, as well as the lookup range. So the lookup value is the value to search. The table array is the range containing the lookup table. The column index number is the column number to return. While the range lookup, we have true for approximate match and false to return the exact match. So in our sales data sheet, in D2 here, under total sales, we will say equals VLOOKUP, open parentheses. We are going to enter our lookup value to be B2, comma, our table array will be in our product price table, right? So all of these will be our table array, this range. Okay, so we can basically continue from our formula bar here. Okay, so we'll say comma. What is left is our column index number. And for our column index number, we are going to use 3. We are using 3 because we are interested in the price column. So if you count this, the product ID column will be 1, the product name column will be 2, and the price column will be 3. So we want to return from the third column. We want to return an exact match, so we'll say false. So we close our parentheses. We need to make this range a constant, so we're going to use F4 and F4 here so that we can easily autofill. So we close that and drag this down to autofill. We have the NA error here, and let's see why we have that. Okay, so we have that because we don't have a product ID 105. You can see we don't have a product ID 105. We ended at 104. So when you come here, it says NA because there is no product ID as 105. If we change this to 104 and hit enter, you see we have a match. Okay, so to calculate total sales now, we can just basically multiply units sold by price, isn't it? So to do that, we'll just say equals units sold here multiplied by price. Hit enter and autofill, and we'll have our correct value. Remember that this product ID in our sales data served as what? As our lookup value. If you click on this, you are going to see that the lookup value here was B3, right? So that means when we change these values, it can change these results, okay? So if I change this to 103 now, it's going to change the results across the table as well.